magnetic field due to circular current carrying loop. We have already know about Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law. Magnetic field due to small current element. Only for small current element is dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dr sin theta upon r square. This is magnetic field due to small current element. And magnetic field due to finite straight current carrying wire. Length of wire is finite. B equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I upon a sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2. And now magnetic field due to circular current carrying loop. If this is circular current carrying loop or coil, this, and we want to find magnetic field at center of this loop. At center of this loop, we use here Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law. According to Biot-Savart law, magnetic field due to small current element. Biot-Savart law only applicable for small current element. So this is a current carrying loop. Then we take small element of this loop, dl. That length of this small element is dl. I current flowing in this loop in the direction of clockwise direction. Let radius of this loop is small a, and this length is also a, because a is radius, dl is small element of this wire, this loop. I current flowing in this loop. So at center, this point, magnetic field dB is equal to, according to Biot-Savart law, mu naught upon 4 pi I dr sin theta. Theta is this angle between this distance and dr. This is 90 degree, sin 90 degree upon a square. Mu naught upon 4 pi I dr sin 91 upon a square. This is magnetic field due to small element dl. And direction of this magnetic field. Direction of this magnetic field, we want to find magnetic field at center. So direction of magnetic field at center, we use right hand palm rule. Right hand palm rule. Thumb is in the direction of current. This is thumb, and direction of current in dl is here, rightward. Thumb is in the direction of current, and finger at the point where we want to find magnetic field. Thumb in the direction of current, and then we bend our finger. Direction of finger is inward. So direction of magnetic field at this point or at center is inward, according to right hand thumb rule. Thumb in the direction of current, and then finger at point where we want to find magnetic field. We bend our finger and direction is inward. So here direction is inward, and this is magnetic field due to small current element. Now we want to find magnetic field due to complete current carrying loop. For this we take integration of dV. Integration of dV is equal to integration, and then we put here value of dV, mu naught upon 4 pi I dl upon a square. Mu naught constant, 4 pi constant, I constant, a square constant. So write these outside the integration. Constant return outside the integration, only remain dl. What is dl? dl is small element, integration dl, sum of all small element, because we want to find magnetic field due to complete whole current carrying loop. This is magnetic field due to small element. Then we cut small element here, small element here, small element of this current carrying loop, and then we sum all magnetic field, small magnetic field, which we use here. Sign of integration means sum of all magnetic field, and here integration of dl, sum of small dl. So sum of small dl means length of this complete loop, and this is circle, and length of complete circle is circumference of this circle. So we can write integration of dl is equal to 2 pi a. 2 pi a circumference of this circle. Integration means sum of all dl, circumference of this loop, 2 pi a. So put here 2 pi a and a cancel, and mu naught upon 4 pi I upon a, 2 pi, and then 2 to the 4, b equal to mu naught upon 2 I upon a. So this is magnetic field due to circular current carrying loop. Remember this. Now we have three formula. First formula, magnetic field due to small current element, also known as Biot-Savart law. dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon r square, and we use this formula in several conditions. Then magnetic field due to finite state current carrying wire, B equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I upon a sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2. And then magnetic field due to circular current carrying loop at center, B equal to mu naught upon 2 I upon a. And direction of this magnetic field is inward, because current flowing in clockwise direction, and we use right hand palm rule, thumb in the direction of current, and we bend finger at the point where we want to find magnetic field, inward. So magnetic field is inward. If current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction, then thumb is in the direction of current is flowing anti-clockwise direction, and then finger at center and bend this finger. So direction of magnetic field is outward, and if current is clockwise, then inward. So magnetic field due to current carrying circular loop at center is mu naught upon 2 I upon a.